In today's video, I'm going to be talking about promoting hair growth from within. So if you are interested with the help of the smoothies recipe I'm going to be talking about today, please keep watching. Hello friends, you're welcome back to my channel. Friends, thank you so much friends for watching. If today is your first time of seeing my video, hello, my name is Becky. Thank you so much guys for stopping by. In today's video guys, it's going to be a quick video. Today's video is about what I drink, what type of smoothie I use to grow my hair. So I'm going to be showing you. Before I apply anything to your hair, you want to find out about the texture of your hair. If you are treating outside and you abandon the inside, you won't be able to, you might not be able to grow the edge of your hair. As you can see my thumbnail, I am alopecia. I do not have edge. My case is alopecia areata. For me to grow this, I take care of my inner before focus to the outside. What is the best oil? We have a lot of oil on this YouTube, so you now have to find out what is the best remedy or the best oil that is very good for your own hair. So I'm going to show you what I have, what I drink, how I managed to grow my hair since March or May. I think it's March. My first video was on March. So March to October, and you can see guys, I've grown the hedge and then they're still growing, as you can see. So I'm going to go and make my hair, and I'm going to plait all those. I don't have any hair, as you can see guys. As you can see guys, I shouldn't drop I'm not used with this microphone guys. You can see I've started plait this myself because I find out the hair is growing from I have to just prove for you guys that I know what I'm talking about. As you can see, I have to plait this because this grow. Some of the part is over very grow. You can see guys, and because I've learned that I shouldn't be put a lot of oil in the edge. It can break your hair as well. So to let you guys to know that I know what I'm talking about. Some of the hair is growing longer than the other. This one is growing. There's no hair before here, so I have to twisted it. So I have to go and do my hair. So my point is that before you jump to any home remedy, go to the YouTube and check what is the best remedy to drink to grow your hair. When you get that perfectly, then you start making oil or whatsoever oil that is very suitable for your hair. It's not all the oil that they are showing or all the remedy conditioner that is suitable for all type of hair. Some hair, it will trigger some hair to start shading. So find out about that. It happened to me. I use onion, and one time garlic was the bad one. Immediately when I applied garlic, I made a mistake, and I make video of that. So have that in mind. Check about the garlic. If garlic is okay for you, it's not everybody the garlic is also suit their hair. Garlic and honey is not really good for my hair. It damages it. Actually, Jesus Christ, I was crying. So it triggered my problem. So in today's video is going to be what I drink to grow my hair. So you have to continue drink this smoothie. The smoothie is contain a lot of protein and biotin that is very good to your hair. That is going to is going to flush out it doesn't really have to be in your system, or the antioxidants that is it will help you to cleanse all your system, and it's going to make your face, your skin, you will see changes for your skin, your appearance. As you can see, guys, you can see my skin. So smoothie is very good, especially the one that I'm using now. So I'm going to go ahead now. I'm going to show you, and I'm going to be telling you the benefits. Almond milk contains monosaturated fatty acids and vitamins that help strengthen the hair. These nutrients penetrate into the hair strands and make them strong and healthier. Blueberries aid hair growth by improving oxygenation, hair circulation, or blood in the body. It helps slow down the process of hair aging. Berries are packed with vitamin C. Strawberries are extremely beneficial for your hair. They are not only helpful in nourishing your locks, but also have the ability to get rid of any excess oils built up from your scalp. Plain yogurt eliminates dandruff, soothing the scalp, balance the pH, prevent hair falling, moisturize your hair, make the hair shiny, natural condition. Chia seeds are chock full of fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, protein, phosphorus, and calcium, making them a powerful hair straightener. Benefits of granola or oats. Oats contain vitamin N, which helps to keep your scalp healthy and moisture. Its anti-inflammatory property aids in reducing scalp itchiness and irritation. Oats contain antioxidants and omega-6 fatty acid, which help to strengthen hair follicle and prevent hair losses.